Hi all, I'm a representative of Saitechinfo. On this occasion of Independence Day, I would like to share my gratitude to all our freedom fighters and warriors who took part in making our country an independent nation. To commemorate 74th Independence Day of our nation, we released 74 educational videos on balancing chemical reaction using algebraic method. We dedicate these videos to students all over our nation. I am Vishnu Priya. I'm going to discuss about balancing chemical reaction of oxidation of sodium sulphate by chlorine using algebraic method. Let's get started. So let me tell you what are the basic steps for balancing chemical reaction. Step 1. Molar coefficient as A, B, C, D, etc. Step 2. List all elements in the reaction. Step 3. Atomicity of elements as equation. That is, we need to write the atomicity of each element in the reaction as an equation. Step 4. Solve the linear equation to get the value. Step 5. Replace the values of A, B, C, D, etc. in the chemical reaction. And step 6. Make it as a stoichiometric equation. The unbalanced reaction which I have taken here is Na2SO3 plus Cl plus H2O gives Na2SO4 plus HCl. Na2SO4 is sodium sulphate, HCl is hydrochloric acid, H2O is water, Cl is chlorine and Na2SO3 is sodium sulphite. For balancing the reaction Na2SO3 plus Cl2 plus H2O gives Na2SO4 plus HCl. Let's take Na2SO3 as A, Cl2 as B, H2O as C, Na2SO4 as D and HCl as E. Here A, B, C, D and E are the molar coefficients. For sodium 2A equals to 2D. For sulfur A equals to D. For chlorine 2B equals to E. For hydrogen 2C equals to E. And for oxygen 3A plus C equals to 4D. Let's assume D as 1. Substituting D in equation 1 we get A as 1. After that substituting A in equation 5 we get C as 1. Now let's substitute C in equation 4 and we get E as 2. After getting the value of E, let's substitute in equation 3 to get the value of B. To check the balanced equation, we need to check the atomicity of the elements. For hydrogen, both the reactant side and the product side has 2. For sodium, it has 2 on both the sides. Sulfur, it has 1 on product side and 1 on the reactant side. For oxygen, we have 4 on both the sides. Therefore, this equation is balanced. Thank you for watching this video. I want every one of you to try this method and send us the feedback in comment section.